ओ ओ ओ ओ स्थापकाय च धर्मस्य सर्वधर्मस्वरूपिणे अवतारवरिष्ठाय रामकृष्णाय ते नमः। जननीं शारदां देवीं रामकृष्णं जगद्गुरुं पादपद्मे तयो श्रित्वा प्रणमामि मुहुर्मुहुः। यथाग्निर्दाहिका शक्ति रामकृष्णे स्थिता हिया सर्वविद्यास्वरूपां तां शारदां प्रणमाम्यहम्। नमः श्रीयतिराजाय विवेकानन्दसूरये सच्चित्सुखस्वरूपाय स्वामिने तापहारिणे गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णुः गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरुर्साक्षात् परं ब्रह्म तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। अज्ञानतिमिरान्धस्य ज्ञानाञ्जनशलाकया चक्षुरुन्मीलितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। अखण्डमण्डलाकारं व्याप्तं येन चराचरं तत्पदं दर्शितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। अनेकजन्मसम्प्राप्त कर्मबन्धविदाहिने आत्मज्ञानप्रदानेन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। मन्नाथ श्रीजगन्नाथो मद्गुरुः श्रीजगद्गुरुः ममात्मा सर्वभूतात्मा तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। ब्रह्मानन्दं परमसुखदं केवलं ज्ञानमूर्तिं द्वन्द्वातीतं गगनसदृशं तत्त्वमस्यादिलक्ष्यम् एकं नित्यं विमलमचलं सर्वधी साक्षिभूतं भावातीतं त्रिगुणरहितं सद्गुरुं तं नमामि सद्गुरुं तं नमामि सद्गुरुं तं नमामि। शुक्लांबरधरं विष्णुं शशिवर्णं चतुर्भुजं प्रसन्नवदनं ध्यायेत् सर्वविघ्नोपशान्तये। सर्वमङ्गलमाङ्गल्ये शिवे सर्वार्थसाधिके शरण्ये त्र्यम्बके गौरी नारायणि नमोऽस्तुते। सृष्टिस्थितिविनाशानां शक्तिभूते सनातनी गुणाश्रये गुणमये नारायणि नमोऽस्तुते। शरणागत दीनार्थ परित्राणपरायणे सर्वस्यार्तिहरे देवी नारायणि नमोऽस्तुते नारायणि नमोऽस्तुते नारायणि नमोऽस्तुते। त्वमेव माता च पिता त्वमेव त्वमेव बन्धुश्च सखा त्वमेव त्वमेव विद्या द्रविणं त्वमेव त्वमेव सर्वं मम देव देव। कायेन वाचा मनसेन्द्रियैर्वा बुद्ध्यात्मना वा प्रकृते स्वभावात् करोमि यद्यत् सकलं परस्मै नारायणायेति समर्पयामि। तेजोसि तेजोमयि देहि वीर्यमसि वीर्यं मयि देहि बलमसि बलं मयि देहि ओजोसि ओजो मयि देहि मन्युरसि मन्युं मयि देहि सहोसि सहो मयि देहि। Now I will recite the sacred Gayatri Mantram 5 times in different swarams. All of you can mentally chant for yourself or orally also, keeping the mic muted. Om Bhurbhuvassuvaha Tatsaviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Nah Prachodayat. Om Bhurbhuvassuvaha Tatsaviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Nah Prachodayat. Om Bhurbhuvassuvaha Tatsaviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Nah Prachodayat. Om Bhurbhuvassuvaha Tatsaviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Nah Prachodayat. Om Bhurbhuvassuvaha Tatsaviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Nah Prachodayat. We meditate on the spiritual effulgence of that adorable, supreme divine reality, the source of the three phenomenal worlds. May that supreme divine being stimulate our intelligence so that we may realize the supreme truth. Now let us move forward in our meditation. Sri Ramakrishna Dhyana Shlokas I will chant. Those who know can repeat for yourself. Those who don't know, listen and learn quickly within the next 3-4 days. Keep the book with you or memorize it. Oh, Hridaya Kamala Madhye Rajitam Nirvikalpam Sadasadakhila Bheda Atitam Ekaswarupam Prakriti Vikriti Shunyam Nityamanandamurtim Vimala Paramahamsam Ramakrishnam Bhajamaha. Vimala Paramahamsam Ramakrishnam Bhajamaha. Nirupamamati Sukshmam Nishprapancham Nireham Gagana Sadrishamisham Sarvabhutadivasam Triguna Rahita Sachid Brahmarupam Varenyam Vimala Paramahamsam Ramakrishnam Bhajamaha. Vimala Paramahamsam Ramakrishnam Bhajamaha. Vitaritum avatirnam Gnana Bhakti Prashanti Pranaya Galita Chittam Jiva Dukkha Sahishnam Dhrita Sahaja Samadhim Chinmayam Komalangam Vimala Paramahamsam Ramakrishnam Bhajamaha. Vimala Paramahamsam Ramakrishnam Bhajamaha. Vimala Paramahamsam Ramakrishnam Bhajamaha. Now Ramakrishna Stotra Dashakam Dhyanam. Sarvadharma Gamyamula Satyatattva Deshakam Siddha Sarva Sampradaya Sampradaya Varjitam Sarvashastra Marmadarshi Sarvavinnirakshakam Tam namami deva deva Ramakrishnamishwaram Tam namami deva deva Ramakrishnamishwaram. He who preached the one eternal truth underlying all religions, who attained realization through all faiths, but never identified himself exclusively with any particular faith, and who knew the essence of all scriptures and was all-knowing without being book-learned at all. To him, Sri Ramakrishna, the Lord Supreme and the source of all divinities, my salutations. Tam namami deva deva Ramakrishnamishwaram. అన్ని మత సంప్రదాయాల ద్వారా సత్య సాక్షాత్కారాన్ని పొందినవాడు, అన్ని మతాలకు అంతర్లీనంగా ఉన్న ఆ ఒకే శాశ్వత సత్యాన్ని ప్రబోధించినవాడు. అలాగే ఏ ఒక్క సంప్రదాయానికో పరిమితం కానివాడు, సర్వశాస్త్రాల సారాన్ని గ్రహించినవాడు, అక్షర జ్ఞానం లేకుండానే సమస్త జ్ఞానాన్ని ఆర్జించినవాడు, సమస్త దివ్య గుణములకు మూలాధారమైన వాడు, పరమాత్ముడైన ఆ శ్రీరామకృష్ణునకు నా ప్రణామములు, మనందరి ప్రణామములు. చారుదర్శకాళికా సుగీత చారుగాయకం కీర్తనేషు మత్తవచ్చ నిత్యభావవిహ్వలం సుపదేశదాయకం హి శోకతాపవారకం తం నమామి దేవదేవ రామకృష్ణమీశ్వరం. తం నమామి దేవదేవ రామకృష్ణమీశ్వరం. Handsome in appearance and rapturous in singing inspiring songs on Kali, inebriated on hearing songs on the Lord, and ever stirred by various divine moods, bhavas, and ever engaged in giving spiritual instructions and in assuaging the grief of the sorrow-stricken. To him, Sri Ramakrishna, the Lord Supreme and the source of all divinities, my salutations, our salutations. బహు సుందర రూపుడు కాళీమాత గురించి స్ఫూర్తిమంతమైన పాటలను గానం చేయువాడు. భగవంతుని కీర్తన గానం వినినంతనే సంభ్రమ ఆనందకరంగా దివ్యోన్మత్తలో తేలియాడువాడు. నిరంతరం పలు విధములైన దివ్య భావములచే భావ విహ్వతను పొందువాడు. ఎల్లప్పుడూ ఆధ్యాత్మికోపదేశములు ఇవ్వటంలో తలమునకలై ఉండువాడు. జనుల శోకతాప నివారకుడు, సమస్త దివ్య గుణములకు మూలాధారమైన వాడు, పరమాత్ముడైన ఆ శ్రీరామకృష్ణునకు నా ప్రణామములు, మనందరి ప్రణామములు. తం నమామి దేవదేవ రామకృష్ణమీశ్వరం. पादपद्मतत्त्वबोध शान्तिसौख्यदायकम् सक्तचित्तभक्तसूनु नित्यवेत्तवर्धकम् दम्भिदर्पदारणं तु निर्भयं जगद्गुरुं तं नमामि देवदेव रामकृष्णमीश्वरम् तं नमामि देवदेव रामकृष्णमीश्वरम्. He, the touch of whose lotus feet gave enlightenment and the bliss of peace, he who enhanced the spiritual well-being of even such devotee children as went to him with worldly desires. He who could see through the professions of the hypocritical and humble their pride, the fearless one, embodied as the world teacher. To him, Sri Ramakrishna, the Lord Supreme and the source of all divinities, my salutations. Yavari Padapadmamulu Sparsha, Padapadmamula Sparsha, Gnana Vruddhini Gavinchi, Shanti Anandamulanu Chekurchutundo, Yavaraite Prapanchika Korikalato, ఆయన వద్దకు వెళ్ళిన భక్తుల ఆధ్యాత్మిక శ్రేయస్సును కూడా మెరుగుపరిచారో, ఎవరైతే కపట బుద్ధితో తనను సమీపించిన వారి మనోవృత్తులను గ్రహించి వారి అహంకారాన్ని చూర్ణం చేయగలరో, అటువంటి నిర్భయుడు, జగద్గురువు, సమస్త దివ్య గుణములకు మూలాధారమైన వాడు, పరమాత్ముడైన ఆ శ్రీరామకృష్ణునకు నా ప్రణామములు, మనందరి ప్రణామములు. తం నమామి దేవదేవ రామకృష్ణమీశ్వరం. తం నమామి దేవదేవ రామకృష్ణమీశ్వరం. Slow, peaceful, positive breathing, please. Train the mind, tune the mind, clean the mind. Let us offer our salutations to the all-pervading, all-blissful Divine Spirit who dwells in the hearts of us all, Hridaya Kamala Madhye, as the Antaryamin. Ahamatma Gudakesha Sarvabhutashaya Stitaha, Ahamadischa Madhyamcha, Bhutanam Antayevacha. These words he had mentioned in the Bhagavad Gita, 10th chapter. So the Lord is in front of us, behind us, above us, below us, everywhere. He is the Lord of the past, present, and future. By meditating on him, by realizing him, one goes beyond fear and attains infinite peace. In meditation on Sri Ramakrishna, think of Parama Bhakti, Parama Shakti, Parama Shanti, Parama Gnanam, Paramananda. Pray to Sri Ramakrishna. Pray to the Divine Mother, Sharada Devi, the Holy Mother, for Gnana Bhakti Viveka Vairakyam. Let us for a few moments sit quiet, relaxing our body and mind. Let us offer our salutations again and again. Punascha bhuyopi namo namaste. Let us for a few moments meditate on the all-pervading, all-blissful Spirit. Let us by all means feel the divine contact. Tam namami deva deva Ramakrishna Mishwaram. Vimala Paramahamsam Ramakrishnam Bhajamaha. Vimala Paramahamsam Ramakrishnam Bhajamaha. Vimala Paramahamsam Ramakrishnam Bhajamaha. Sri Ramakrishna is the embodiment of Sat Chit Ananda. He is in your own heart. Think of the Satchidananda Purusha, the infinite existence, consciousness, and bliss. He is our father, the mother, the friend, the beloved. Sarvadeva Devi Swarupaya Sri Ramakrishnaya Namaha. Sarvadeva Devi Swarupaya Sri Ramakrishnaya Namaha. Meditate with more concentration and devotion, please. असतो मा सद्गमय तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मा अमृतंगमय। ओम शांति शांति शांति। हरि ओम। मधुवातारतायते मधुक्षरन्ति सिन्धवः माध्वीर्नः सन्तोषधीः मधुनक्तमुतोषसि मधुमत्पार्थिवगुं रजः मधुद्यौरस्तु नः पिता मधुमान्नो वनस्पतिर्मधुमागुम् अस्तु सूर्यः माध्वीर्गावो भवन्तु नः। Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. May the winds bring us happiness. May the rivers carry happiness to us. May the plants give us happiness. May the heavens give us happiness. May night and day yield us happiness. May the dust of the earth bring us happiness. May the heavens give us happiness. May the trees give us happiness. May the sun pour down happiness. May the cows yield us happiness. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Mentally, let us offer our salutations to Bhagavan Sri Ramakrishna, Holy Mother Sharda Devi, and Swami Vivekananda, and all great teachers, all great saints. Let us offer our namaskar. Let us offer our salutations to Pancha Mahabhutas, internal and external, and to the entire nature. What we can remember, let us remember and think of God as the vibhutis of God, the trees, the flowers, the plants, the galaxies, the macrocosm, the microcosm. Everywhere is Ishvara, the Paramatma. Let us pray for the well-being of all people. Sarve bhavantu sukhinah, sarve santu niramayah, sarve bhadrani pashyantu, ma kaschid dukkha bhag bhavet. May all be happy. May all be peaceful. May all be free from difficulties, free from dangers, free from diseases. May all see what is good, listen what is good, speak what is good, do what is useful to others. May all be filled with Anandam. May all be filled with Shraddha. May all be filled with Bhakti. May all be free from sufferings. To end our meditation, I will chant 10 shlokas of the Lalita Sahasranama. Listen, or you can also repeat, those who know. Om Shri Matre Namaha. Nitya Mukta Nirvikara Nishprapancha Nirashraya. Nitya Shuddha Nitya Buddha Niravadya Nirantara. Nishkarana Nishkalanka Nirupadhir Nirishvara. Niragaraga Nirmada Madanashini. Nischinta Nirahankara Nirmoha Mohanashini. Nirmama Mamata Hantri Nishpapa Papanashini. Nishkrodha Krodha Shamani Nirlobha Lobhanashini. Nissamshaya Samshayagni Nirbhava Bhavanashini. Nirvikalpa Nirabadha Nirbheda Bhedanashini. Nirnasha Mrityu Nishkriya Nishparigraha. Nistulani Lachikura Nirapaya Niratyaya. Durlabha Durgama Durga Dukkahantri Sukaprada. दुष्टदूरा दुराचार शमनी दोषवर्जिता सर्वज्ञा सान्द्र करुणा समानाधिकवर्जिता सर्वशक्तिमयी सर्वमंगला सद्गतिप्रदा सर्वेश्वरी सर्वमयी सर्वमन्त्रस्वरूपिणी सर्वयंत्रात्मिका सर्वतंत्ररूपा मनोन्मनी माहेश्वरी महादेवी महालक्ष्मी मृडप्रिया महारूपा महापूज्या महापातकनाशिनी महामाया महासत्वा महाशक्तिर्महारतिः महाभोगा महेश्वर्या महावीर्या महाबला महाबुद्धिर्महासिद्धिर्महायोगेश्वरेश्वरी ओम शांति 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 हरि ओम तत्सत् श्री राम कृष्णार्पणमस्तु. All of you, those who are meditating, can rub the palms of your hand nicely, create the heat in your palms, gently roll fingers over your eyelids, face, forehead. Keep your body straight, relaxed posture, whether you are sitting in the chair or on the ground, or you can shift to the chair if you are sitting in the ground, if you feel uncomfortable. Participate completely, all of you. Namaste, Shubha Sandhya, Susandhya. Welcome to another edition of Amritasya Setu on the 14th of November. And completely all of you should participate till the end. All right. You are a sincere devotee. You are a sincere volunteer devoted to the teachings of Ramakrishna Vivekananda Mother and our order. You will not go. You will not go till we complete Shanti Mantram, Purnamadaha, and then take leave. That will be your dedication. Next 1 hour, okay? Please be very focused and participate. Some of you can open your camera if possible. It will be good to see you, how you are, where you are, how you are sitting. All other, some of you who are regular or who are be positive. Open the camera. Don't be लज्जा घृणा भय छोड़ देना पड़ेगा. Shyness has to be given. No fear, no hatred, no other problems. Be clear. You are devotees, you are volunteers, you are not foreigners. Yes. So every Sunday we have a habit, a tradition of inviting volunteers, inviting devotees who have been connected with the Ramakrishna Mutt and Mission since a very long time, not just 1 year or 1 month or 2 years or 2 months. You have seen how from Bangalore, from Pune, how these volunteers joined very child in their school days and totally dedicated daily basis or on a weekly basis. Ramakrishna Mutt in Bangalore, or Ramakrishna Mutt in Chennai, or Hyderabad, or Pune, or Delhi, or any other center. It is a place of what? Is it just a visitor's place? Is it just some like another any temple that you go spend 10 minutes, half an hour, 1 hour, and then go home? Ramakrishna Mutt and Mission, according to Swami Vivekananda himself, Evanaraina, Chala manchi మాట అన్నారు, rules and regulations of the Mutt Mission. He said, purity drilling machine. Purity drilling machine. As we go deeper and deeper into the earth, water will be there. Diamonds will be there. Gold will be there. Oil will be there. Coal will be there. So many minerals will be there. Am I right? But the drilling process is very, very important. And it should be regular. It should be weekly, if not all the 5-6 days. But the more you give time, as you heard from other dedicated, transformed volunteers, sadhakas, they call themselves sadhakas, not just volunteers. Sadhana chestaru, sadhana, teevramaina sadhana. Morning, వాళ్ళు చేసే పనులని సాధనే. Right from brushing the teeth in the morning at 5 o'clock till they sleep in the lap of the Divine Mother at 11 o'clock in the night. They're all very, very devoted and taken as sadhana. There's no obstruction, no tension, no worries, no stress. And even if it comes, it is deleted without any fear. That is the protection, that is the kavacham, that is the strength which Ramakrishna Sharada gives. So those who have been regular have to be regular. Because there are so many things, Adi Daivika, Adi Bhautika, Adhyatmika, to pull you back, to pull you away. Next Sunday, Vellachu, Ane Bhavan Ochindante, 4 Sundays ever are. If for one Sunday you miss, it's a challenge. It's my experience. And not just my experience, Mother Sharada Devi's experience. Avid anubhavam kuda alage undi. Okkaroju padukundi talnoppi ani. And that mind took her for 7 days consecutively to get up late in the morning for her sadhana, for her meditation. And mother realized after 6-7 days, hey, what am I doing? Em chestunnanu? My mind is tricking me. Mosam chestundi. నిద్రపో అంటుంది. ఎప్పుడు హారిజాంటల్ గా ఉంటూ అంటుంది. Then she hit the mind. She scolded her own mind and said, never do. Never I will allow you to sleep after 3:30 in the morning. Brahma Murtanlo Talli Sharada leche. Consistently. That also in difficult circumstances. No bed, no light, no water, no washroom. So we have everything. Today we have everything at our fingertips, right? ఆలోచించండి, సీరియస్గా ఉండాలి భక్తులు, వాలంటీర్స్. ఆనందంగానూ ఉండాలి, సీరియస్గానూ ఉండాలి. కంబైన్ సీరియస్నెస్ విత్ చైల్డ్ లైక్ నేవేట్ అంటారు స్వామి వివేకానంద. కంబైన్ సీరియస్నెస్ విత్ చైల్డ్ లైక్ నేవేట్. You know what is the meaning of నేవేట్? It is a French word for simple life, a childlike life. Nevite ante simplicity. Combine cheyandi seriousness and simplicity. Cheptune unna nenu andariki, local people, Hyderabad people mainly, who are connected with Ramakrishna Math activities, human excellence activities, whatever you do. So ever kosram raakudadu. You are coming for your own anandam, your own moksha, your own karma, your own papam punyam, your own growth. So alaga, there are so many wonderful people who are doing seva, who are spreading the message of Ramakrishna Vivekananda tradition in every state. In every state, there's a big association, big group. It is called Ramakrishna Movement, Ramakrishna Bhavadhara, Ramakrishna Movement, oka Mahasamudram, and it is networked by Belur Math, by our headquarters. Bhava Prachar Parishat. Parishat, it's a recognized body, registered body. All the devotee organizations, not the Ramakrishna Math regular organizations. There are private centers, taken care by bhaktas, taken care by devotees. It is there in Andhra Pradesh, it is there in Karnataka, it is there in Tamil Nadu, it is there in Telangana. Because Telangana, for example, only one center now after bifurcation, Hyderabad only. But there is a private group in Nizamabad, private group in Adilabad, private group in Karimnagar, private group in Mahbub Nagar. Andhra Pradesh also has got so many centers. Only 6 or 5 official centers. What are they? Kadapa Ramakrishna Mission affiliated. Then we have Tirupati. Then we have Vijayawada. We have Vishakhapatnam. We have Rajamahendravaram. Apart from this, 40 or 50 private centers in villages. In villages. Maybe they have built a small temple like Bhavanapadu in Srikakulam, small temple, fishermen's colony. Or in Bapatla, or in Newsweed, like that. I'm just giving you some stray examples. It is there in Bihar, it is there in UP, it is there in Madhya Pradesh, all states, in Bengal, in Maharashtra. So who are conducting it? Not the monks, bhaktas, devotees, full time, sometime full time, or evenings they come after office, they clean up, they do the arati, bhajan, say like Vetlapalam, very devoted group. Or there is another town in Tamil Nadu. It is like Jairambati itself. You will surprised to know. From one town, village, nearly 35 youth have become monks of the order. Sannyasulaya. Vakka Grama Nundi, 35. Ante parents are ready to send their children to join the Ramakrishna order. Anta bhakti, anta vishwasam, anta muligver. They have built a Jairambati in that village. And you feel as if it is Jairambati. Road, mother's house, mother's temple, everything is like Jairambati. Only the language is Tamil, that's all. ఎంత శ్రద్ధ ఉండాలి, ఎంత ప్రేమ ఉండాలి, ఎంత వాళ్ళకి నా విశ్వాసం ఉండాలి భావించండి. Anyway, so today we have a devotee from Bapatla, a coastal city, a town in Andhra Pradesh, Bapatla, and there is a Ramakrishna Seva Samiti, which is very ancient, very old, and 3 brothers and some big team of devotees are doing their sadhana, doing their seva also. So I requested Naresh ji from Bapatla, who is one of the core volunteer sevaks, who is taking care of the center. He is an auditor for all our centers in Andhra Pradesh, like Hyderabad, Rajahmundry or Tirupati. They go travels, accounts, etc. He takes care. And he is joining us from Bapatla online. So we will travel to Bapatla, and Naresh ji, you can unmute and speak about how the center grows, what is going on there. మీ అనుభవాలు ఏమిటి, ఇదేంటి పంచుకోండి మా భక్తులతో, మా వాలంటీర్స్ who are from different parts of the country. Over to Naresh garu.
నా పేరు నరేష్, ఇంటి పేరు అమీర్పూర్. హైదరాబాద్ మఠంతో అనుభవం ఏంటంటే
కొంచెం ఇంగ్లీష్ కూడా, కొంచెం ఇంగ్లీష్ మధ్య మధ్యలో తెలుగు ఓకే, రివర్స్ చేసుకోండి.
Yes, I am attached to Hyderabad but through accounts. I was a programmer. At the time when I came to Hyderabad, it was 1999. At the time, language was Foxpro. So Paramarthananji, he was doing accounting, and they were doing manual accounting. Manual registers and all are being maintained, ledger, cash book, etc. So I was asked to computerize. So I gladly did that because I was attached to Ramakrishna since my childhood. So Paramarthananji asking me was a golden chance for me. So I computerized everything. So it went on for many years. Now also I'm going, but still because of this pandemic and all, I'm not coming there. I am working from home. So whatever reports are to be made, the desktop is coming to me. So I'm making the trained. I need not sit and train them again. Now they streamlined everything. Hyderabad accounts are perfectly streamlined. So my need is not there, but still I will be very happy. Whenever I feel Hyderabad, I really feel happy. Then from my childhood, I Sri Ramakrishna, Sri B.S.R. Anjaneyar Garu, he is no more now. He was a devotee of Ramakrishna. He knew many Swamis. He read Kathamritam many times. And then he wrote the Kathamritam songs in Telugu. Whatever Bengali songs were there in the Kathamrita, even now, whatever Hyderabad Mat publications they are used. We used to sing them. I know some, we used to sing some we tune, some we can sing. In that way, that was there. 1970, main thing is that B.S.R. Anjaneyar Garu was a great spiritual person. Suppose he tells a word, you cannot say no to him. In that way, he is overwhelming, call him as. So,
Naresh garu.
in that way, 1970.
నరేష్ గారు ఒక నిమిషం మీరు ఇయర్ ఫోన్ పెట్టుకోగలరా? ఇయర్ ఫోన్స్ పెట్టుకోగలరా? సౌండ్ బ్రేక్ అవుతుంది. కింద లేదు, మీ రూమ్ లో లేదు?
ఎవరు లేరు
సౌండ్ లేకపోతే కొంచెం దగ్గర కార్నర్ మీరు. అయ్యా మీరు కనబడతా లేదు మాకు. అది అది ఇప్పుడు ఓకే, ట్రై చేయండి. జస్ట్ ఒక కంటిన్యూ.
Continue. Yes, ma'am. Where to start? I did not prepare. What to tell?
You just talk as if conversation ante. No preparation.
So then
B.S.R. Anjaneyar garu cheptunnaru. B.S.R. Anjaneyar.
B.S.R. Anjaneyar. So all our family, we used to go to Ramakrishna Seva Samiti. So my father was the founder secretary. When Ramakrishna Seva Samiti was founded, my father used to go there. So he got inspired. So he used to read Ramakrishna. My mother also got inspired. All we were 5, actually 3 brothers and mother, father. All the 5 we used to go to Samiti. Every day evening, our duty or something like that. Every day we used to go there. Adi oka habit, imbibe. So in that way, going on. Finally, 1982, I came to Hyderabad. When the temple opening function was there, I saw Ranganathan Maharaj. In 1983, I got a job in ONGC as a drilling engineer. So I went there. So I worked, and at that time I had a target. I should not ask money from anybody. So in that way, I planned my conduct in such a way that I earned money, and then I after reaching the target, I resigned the job. I came to Bapatla and started working at Bapatla. Our work at Bapatla is mainly on children. B.S.R. Anjaneyar Garu advised us to work with children. Only they can imbibe our values. Once you are out to at least to 10th class and all, you cannot, already you are overgrown. So our this one is children, we call them, for them to teach about Indian culture, Swami Vivekananda. So we published books so that people can understand Indian culture. We have some 20 publications. All of them are available in Hyderabad Ramakrishna Mat. Then here recently we started yoga in a big way. So we are conducting yoga classes, online yoga classes, morning 5 to 10, and then evening from 6 to 9. So our yoga instructor is Santosh. I think most of you may be knowing him because Ramakrishna Mat published a yoga book, and his photographs were put, and he wrote that book. He is here whole time. So he is like our 4th brother now. So we are all working together, conducting yoga. We are teaching the children yoga, and then other things also we are teaching, like Mallakhamb, and then rock climbing, etc., etc., running, like that. And then in addition, we teach them curriculum, computers, and of course, Indian culture means they know so many poems, Vemana Satakam, Krishna Satakam, Dasharati Satakam, Bhaskara Satakam, Bhartrihari, Bhartrihari slokas. In that way, we are teaching children. In addition, we in a small way, we are doing is organic farming. Morning, we are doing organic farming. Sometimes we take children, they participate in farming. They know how vegetables are grown. We are growing vegetables, and then we are using for them only. We use those vegetables and feed them. Every day around 50 children come. So we are busy with them. I teach mathematics and Sanskritam. In the process of Ramakrishna Math and all, I have learned Sanskritam. In addition to computerization of Hyderabad Math, I have computerized Rajahmundry mission, Jayawada mission, and then this one. So as long as the auditor signs the balance sheet, that's my responsibility. So I thoroughly enjoy because of Ramakrishna. My life has taken a turn. Otherwise, where would I have been? I don't know. So I'm grateful to Ramakrishna Order. They have shown me how to live peacefully, how to live joyfully, small, contented life, frugal living. Our V.S.R. Ranjanel Garu was a man of frugality. So that is, I'm obsessed with that, in fact, frugal living. So in that frugal way, I'm very happy, man. So I thank Maharaj for giving me this opportunity. If any questions are there, you may ask.
You tell how the Bhava Prachar is going on in Andhra Pradesh, connected with all the centers and the enthusiasm and other devotion, everything. Activities, Bhava Prachar activities. Stuck up అయిపోయింది. నరేష్ గారు, ఆంధ్రాలో భావ ప్రచార యాక్టివిటీస్ ఎలాగుంది, ప్రచారం ఎలాగుంది, దాని రెస్పాన్స్ ఎలాగుంది, మనం ఏం చేయగలం?
ఆంధ్ర భావ ప్రచార నౌ divided into many bhava pracharas. Yes. So we are confined to south part of Krishna. So Vijayawada is our center. So whenever Swamiji calls, we all go. He is conducting retreat-like functions. In addition, we have one more. This extra is Guntur. In Guntur, there is Sharada Math, entirely for women. So there also we are allowed, but we go to some extent only. But women devotees are really attached to Sharada Math. They gladly jump and go to Guntur whenever time is there. In that way, Bhava Prachara going on. Because of this pandemic and all, now not much activity is there. Once things become normal, we'll see what will happen.
Further action plan. I mean, your daily routine, etc. How it is connected with the Holy Trinity. Your brother Nataraj and Suresh, all that.
We are conducting Saturday study circle. Natarajan conducts evening Saturday, Sunday, 8:30 to 9:30. That is global. Now our students, whoever came to Ramakrishna Seva, because we are there for many 30 years. So many children, so many college students have passed out from Bapatla. So whoever passed out from Bapatla, they are attached to our Samiti. So that they are now all over the globe. So they are attend the Samiti. So they discuss about Vivekananda. Now letters of Swami Vivekananda they are reading. So that Natarajan, my brother, conducts. My other brother, main thing is sits with children, because sitting with children is the most difficult thing, and he does whole day. Almost morning he starts around 8 to 10. Then children go to school. Then again they come in the evening 4. From 4 onwards, some children will be playing. He will call some children. He will cover some curriculum, some maths, some physics, something, some computer, otherwise Telugu, like that. They will be playing at the same time. They will be learning also. In that way, nobody gets bored. So they are totally attached. By evening 4 or 5, every child comes. So in that way, we are doing. Our other volunteers are there. They are some are cooking. They help us in cooking because we have to feed the children. Because when children come, we cannot leave them and say go. So we at least we 3-4 kg rice and then curry or curd rice, everything we prepare. So they help us, and then they also take classes because we follow the principle of Ram Vivekananda said is a Brahmin boy needs one teacher and a Chandala boy may need 10 teachers. So in that way, one teacher, one student. In that way, we are trying to concentrate because whoever comes to us, almost all are below the poverty line, who cannot afford going to convents and all. And then their intellectual level is also low. So for them, we are taking pains to teach them about regular education and then our Ramakrishna Vivekananda philosophy.
Very nice, very nice. Vishwanatham Garu has raised his hand, our faculty, our youngest faculty, only 83 years young man. Vishwanatham Garu, unmute chesi adagandi, or cheppandi. Vishwanathan ji, namaste. Vishwam Vangapalli Garu, unmute cheyandi. Cheyattaru meeru.
మాట్లాడుతున్నాను స్వామీజీ ప్రణామ్స్.
Pranam.
నరేష్ గారు, శ్రీ నరేష్
Naresh Garu na ekkada peda?
I'm not able to see him, sir. I just wanted to
You continue.
happiness in the manner in which he has devoted his life.
మీరు భావోద్వేగానికి వెళ్ళిపోకండి.
I have seen him in our Ramakrishna Math way back. Paramarthananda Swami and our Ranganathanandaji Maharaj were there at Hyderabad.
Yeah.
What I am trying to tell is one point which Sri Naresh Garu has mentioned, that Swami Ranganathananda suggested that take care of children.
Yeah. See
I would say it's a very beautiful point.
Yeah.
For the simple reason, if you can't catch them young, you will never catch them when you grow up and already contaminated, adulterated with all sorts of influences. More so thanks to the internet and online education and the cell phone and all that sort of thing. That's one excellent thing that they are doing. Probably I'm not comparing, but a relatively rural atmosphere of Bapatla must have helped them to cater to the needs of at least those, as he himself has said, people coming from lower rung of the strata. Maybe they are intellectually also poor because of generations of, what shall I say, discrimination against the community and so on. So I am feeling very happy. I mean, I think it's very inspiring. And I have read at least 5 to 6 of the 20 books that the Bapatla Ramakrishna Samiti has published in Telugu. Kartavyanista, Arjunudu, ఇవన్నీ కొన్ని పుస్తకాలు ఉన్నాయి స్వామి, చదివాను నేను. అద్భుతంగా ఉంటుంది. ఆ నటరాజ రామకృష్ణన్ గారి తెలుగు అద్భుతంగా ఉంటుంది. అమిరపు నటరాజన్ కదండి. అంటే ఎవరైనా అయ్యా ఇక్కడ ఇన్స్పిరేషను పరమహంస రామకృష్ణ గారు. ఇవాళ పొద్దున మీరు ఇందాక మాట్లాడుతూ మీరు అన్నారు ఆయన అన్లెటర్డ్ అని. ఇల్లిటరేట్ కాదు మన రామకృష్ణ. అన్లెటర్డ్ అంటే స్కూళ్ళకి వెళ్ళి మాలాగా ఏదో తెల్ల కాగితాల మీద నల్ల రంగులో అచ్చు వేసిన సర్టిఫికెట్లు తెచ్చుకోలేదని అర్థం. సమస్త జ్ఞాన భాండారము ఆయన చేతిలో అందుబాటులో ఉన్నప్పుడు ఈ సర్టిఫికెట్లు ఈ పొట్టకూటి కోసం కావలసిన చదువు కాదు ఆయన చదువుకున్నది.
అవునవును.
జాతి బ్రతుకు నిర్మించడానికి కావలసిన చదువు ఆయన చదువుకుని ఒక్క వివేకానందుని తయారు చేశారు చాలు. అంటే ఆ ఒక్క వివేకానందుని బోధనలే మనం గ్రహించి పాటించలేకపోతున్నాం. మనం దేశాన్ని అటువైపు ఇంకా మలచడానికి మనం ప్రయత్నం చేస్తున్నాం. అలాంటప్పుడు మీరే ఏదో సందర్భంలో అన్నారు, ఆయన 150వ వివేకానంద ఈ సందర్భంలో ఆ 1500 సంవత్సరాలకు కావలసినంత పని మిగిల్చి వెళ్ళారు ఆయన. మనమే తట్టుకోలేకపోతున్నాం, మనమే చేయలేకపోతున్నాం అని చెప్పని మీరు అన్నారు. నాకు గుర్తొస్తుంది అది.
అవునవునవును. దాంట్లో ఒక చిన్న బొట్టు కూడా చేయలేదండి. నాట్ ఈవెన్ డన్ ఎ లిటిల్ డ్రాప్ ఆఫ్ ఇట్.
అది సార్, ఇక్కడ మీకు ఒక విషయం మనవి చేస్తాను. 1947 ఆగస్టు 15 వరకు హ్యాడ్ సమ్వన్ టు బ్లేమ్ యాజ్ ది ఫారెన్ రూలర్.
Yes, yes.
But what happened since that date, 70 years we lost.
Yes, again we have gone back.
గత 7-8 సంవత్సరాల్లో తప్పిస్తే భారతీయత లేదు. భారతీయత అంటే అసహ్యం, హైందవ ధర్మం అంటే చులకన, మానవతా విలువలంటే అధర్మం. ఇంకొక 20-30 ఏళ్ళు మనం ఏమీ చేయకుండా కళ్ళు మూసుకున్నట్టయితే ఈ హైందవ అన్న పదాన్ని తుడిచి అవతల పారేస్తారు వీళ్ళు.
అందుకే బాపట్ల సెంటర్ లాగా చేస్తూ ఉండాలి.
అంటే ఒకటి సార్, ఎవరు చేయగలిగినంత వారు ఏ మేరకు కుదిరితే ఆ మేరకి.
అంతే.
మన రామకృష్ణ పరమహంస భగవాన్కి సంసార శిక్షులు ఉన్నారు, సన్యాసి శిక్షులు ఉన్నారు కదా.
అబ్సల్యూట్లీ.
మరి అందుకని గడ్డిపోచ పని చేయాలి, అరిటాకు పని చేయాలి.
కరెక్ట్.
అది గడ్డిపోచ అని చెప్పని మనం నిరుత్సాహపడకూడదు. ఇప్పుడు కొండను పిండి చేస్తే ఇసుక రేణువుల కింద మారిపోతుందండి. కొండల్ని గనక మనం ఇసుక రేణువుల్ని మళ్ళీ చేస్తే బండరాళ్ళు అవుతాయి అవి.
రైట్.
ప్రకృతిలో నథింగ్ క్యాన్ డిస్ట్రాయిడ్. కాకపోతే ఏంటంటే నేనేదో మామూలు ధోరణిలో మాట్లాడుతున్నా. అయ్యా నరేష్ గారు నమస్కారం.
అన్మ్యూట్ చేయండి నరేష్ జీ.
నా పేరు విశ్వనాథం. నేను మిమ్మల్ని మన రామకృష్ణ మన పరమార్థానంద స్వామి వారు కూర్చునే రూము పక్కన రూములో అకౌంట్స్ కంప్యూటర్ ఎదురుగుండా కూర్చున్నప్పుడు చూసిన గుర్తు నాకు ఉన్నదండి.
వాయిస్ కొంచెం ఇచ్చి. ఎస్, వినబడుతుందా?
నరేష్ గారు
చెప్పండి.
ఏం లేదు మహారాజ్ గారు, నేను మాట్లాడుతున్నది సామాన్యుణ్ణి. నేను మాట్లాడుతున్నది విశ్వనాథం అని నా పేరు. రామకృష్ణ మఠం ఆఫీసులో పరమార్థానంద గారు కూర్చునే సీటు పక్కన ఉన్న హాలులో కూర్చుని కంప్యూటరైజింగ్, రిసీట్లు, వ్యవహారం మీరు చూసేవారని నేను చూసినట్టు నాకు గుర్తు. మీరు ఇందాక మాట్లాడిన విషయాలు విన్నాను. మీరు హైదరాబాద్ లో ఉండటం, బాపట్లకు వెళ్ళటం, బాపట్లలో పిల్లల విషయాలు పట్టించుకోవటానికి రంగనాథానంద స్వామి వారు మీకు స్ఫూర్తినివ్వటం, ఆర్గానిక్ ఫార్మింగ్, వాళ్ళకి ఎడ్యుకేషను, మీరు సంస్కృతం నేర్చుకుని సంస్కృతం చెప్పటం, మ్యాథ్స్ చెప్పటం, కంప్యూటర్ చెప్పటం, ఇవన్నీ విని చాలా చాలా ఆనందమైంది. మీకు ఇందాక మీరేదో అన్నారు, ఇది మినిమలిజం, సింప్లిసిటీ, సింపుల్ లివింగ్ అని చెప్పని. మరి ఇవి లేకపోతే సన్మార్గం ఎట్టా వస్తుంది సార్ బుర్రలోకి? సుఖాల వెంట పరుగుడులాడుతున్నటువంటి మనస్సుకి విలువలు పట్టవండి. సింప్లిసిటీ వైపు మనస్సు వెళ్ళినప్పుడే ధార్మిక భావన వస్తుంది, మానవతా విలువలు వస్తుంది, సేవా ధర్మము వస్తుంది, దేశభక్తి వస్తుంది. అన్ని రైల్వే ఇంజన్ వెనకాల బోగీలు నడిచినట్టు ఒక్క మంచి అలవాటు ఉంటే మిగిలినవన్నీ దాని వెంట నడుస్తూ పోతాయి. ఆ ఒక్క మంచి అలవాటు, ఏ ఒక్క మంచి అలవాటైనా పిల్లవాడికి చిన్న వయస్సులో కనుక మనం నేర్పించగలిగినట్టయితే ఆ తర్వాత పరమాత్మ నిర్ణయం. వాడు దీనికి పుట్టాడు, అందరూ కారణ జన్ములే కదా. అవశ్యం అనుభోక్తవ్యం శుభాశుభ కర్మఫలం. అది అయ్యా నేను మాట్లాడితే నేను మళ్ళీ ఏదో ఇచ్చినట్టు ఉంటుంది. అయ్యా నరేష్ గారు, చాలా ఆనందంగా ఉంది. మీరు ఆరోగ్యంగా కనబడుతున్నారు నాకు. కీప్ ఇట్ అప్. మీ రూములో మాకు ఏదైనా అట్టహాసాలు ఉంటాయి కానీ మీరు ఒక హాయిగా ఒక జంపుకానా వేసుకుని రూములో మీరు మీ మొహం తప్ప ఏమి కనబడటం లేదు మాకు. చాలది ప్రేరణనివ్వటానికి, అది చాలు. డిసిప్లిన్, డెడికేషన్, డివోషన్, ఈ మూడు ఎప్పుడైతే త్రివేణి సంగమం లాగా కలుస్తాయో భగవంతుడి మీ కోట ఏదైతే ఉందో, మీకు అనుగ్రహింపబడినటువంటి కోటాని నిర్ద్వందంగా, నిర్విఘ్నంగా, ఏమీ ఇబ్బందులు లేకుండా కొనసాగిస్తారు. శుభం, స్వస్తి. గ్రేట్ టు మీట్ యు అండ్ గ్రేట్ టు హియర్ యు సార్.
విశ్వనాథం గారు, అయ్యా భీష్మ పితామహులు మీరు.
ఏం లేదు సార్.
సరే, మీరు ఆరోగ్యంగా ఉండాలి మాకు.
నాదొక్కటే వేదాంతం కాదు కానీ రేపు
Yes.
పొద్దున్నే లేస్తే దేవుడు మరో రోజు అనుగ్రహించినట్టు, లేవకపోతే రేపటికి రెండో రోజు అండి. ఇది
Okay.
ఫిలాసఫీ.
ఇప్పుడు చెప్పింది కొంచెం సారాంశం ఇంగ్లీష్ లో చెప్పండి. బెంగాల్ నుంచి మా వాలంటీర్స్ అందరూ ఉన్నారు.
I understand. I'm sorry I was speaking in Telugu for the obvious reason that I belong to this region, and the person who spoke was, he is a Telugu person, was in Hyderabad, now is in Bapatla, a cultural center in the other state, now bifurcated state, what is called as Andhra Pradesh. The Ramakrishna Samiti of Bapatla has an excellent team of workers, as you could understand from his explanation. They have done a good job. They have published more than 20 very beautifully produced, what shall I say, devotional content, reading which I am sure any Telugu fellow, any person who can read Telugu script will really enjoy and will turn towards Vivekananda, undoubtedly. Now, he was referring to various things. I think one thing I must tell is this. The time or the age at which you got introduced to the inspiring thoughts of divinity will have a longer tenure of working on your mind and personality. When you are 3 or 4 or 5, if your parents have taken you to Ramakrishna Math or any other school of religious thought, that would pave the way. And like a railway engine on the railway track, whether you are going fast or slow, you can easily move on ahead in your life. But if no track has been laid for you, railway engine cannot run on the road. It is meant for the track. Our tracks are meant for the railway engine. So simplicity, divinity, devotion, and discipline. They have done wonderful work, as Sri Naresh Garu was explaining to us as to look at the fact that he did not study Sanskrit. He studied Sanskrit to teach Sanskrit. He studied mathematics. He is teaching mathematics. He has learned computers and helped in computerization of accounts of Ramakrishna Math Hyderabad, of Bapatla, of Vijayawada, of Rajahmundry, and I think probably Visakhapatnam also. I do not know about the, intricate details. What I am trying to tell you, my young friends, the volunteers for whom this meeting is essentially meant, first thing is get inspired. No alternative. Whatever life you want to lead in any field of activity, whatever that be, get inspired and live an inspiring life. You must create one more person like you, if not more. Those who are in the teaching line have a wonderful opportunity, but those who are not in the teaching line have a greater responsibility. I'll put it that way. Because you can deal with your own family members. Hopefully, still they are listening to you or willing to follow your advice. And once they grow up, trust in God, leave it to Him. Compared to the stupendous task that exists, what is the role that a single drop of water or a blade of grass can perform? But unitedly, even the blades of grass can hold an elephant. That's what philosophy tells us. So, though it is difficult to control the mind, try to control the mind. Try, yes, try, go on trying. If you fail 1,000 times, n+1, 1,001th time, you must try and to see that you don't deviate from the path. So that inspires the other generations and generations of people to come. I think, Swamiji, I have done some justice to English and not to English, but to what Naresh was telling, my response to what he was telling in English for the sake of those friends who may not be able to follow his conversation or my conversation in Telugu. I hope you would permit me.
Absolutely fine. Absolutely fine. 100 out of 100 అండి.
Thank you. Swasti.
నరేష్ గారు ఇంకేమైనా మంచి కథ చెప్పండి, ఏమైనా జరిగింది ఇన్సిడెంట్? నరేష్
గారిని అయ్యా నమస్కారం. నరేష్ గారు
ఇన్సిడెంట్ చాలా ఉన్నాయి,
తెచ్చుకోండి ప్లీజ్. ప్రసాద్ రెడ్డి, మీ రియాక్షన్. విజయవాడ, వి హావ్ ఎ డివోటీ ఫ్రమ్ విజయవాడ. ఆయన పిలుచుకొని వెళ్ళండి బాపట్లకి. ప్రసాద్ రెడ్డి గారు
నమస్తే మహారాజ్.
నమస్తే.
విశ్వనాథ్ గారు మాట్లాడిన తర్వాత మేమేం మాట్లాడతాం మహారాజ్?
దానికి కొంచెం ఆయిల్ పోయడమే. అప్పుడు కొంచెం ఆయిల్ వేయండి.
అంతే అంటారా? So see, Suradam sir, he's our inspiration really. At the age of 83, enthusiasm, ఇది తపన, ఆయన రియల్లీ గ్రేట్. విశ్వనాథం గారు నమస్తే.
Sir,
క్యారీ ఆన్.
ఓకే సార్. నరేష్ గారు ఇస్ డూయింగ్ వెరీ ఎక్సలెంట్ జాబ్ సార్. అంటే ఒక బాపట్లలో ఒక సెంటర్ లో ఎన్ని సంవత్సరాల నుంచి ఒక్కర్లే చేయడం, అంటే టీమ్ డెవలప్ చేయడం, పిల్లలకి దట్ కైండ్ ఆఫ్ సర్వీస్ హి హస్ గివెన్. రియల్లీ రిమార్కబుల్ సర్వీస్ నరేష్ గారు. కంగ్రాచులేషన్స్ అండ్ కీప్ ఇట్ అప్. వెరీ గుడ్ జాబ్ రియల్లీ. మిమ్మల్ని చూసి మేము చాలా నేర్చుకోవాలి. ఇన్ఫాక్ట్ ఐఎమ్ ఆల్సో ఇన్ విజయవాడ. So I will once time permits, I visit your and all. I will come and see. But remarkable job, Naresh garu. Chala inspiration ga undi mee sevalo. Meelanti valani chusi mem chala nerchukovali. So very nice and very good things, Maharaj. Really, especially children's cheyadam anedi అది మహారాజ్ యొక్క ఆయన గురు మహారాజ్ యొక్క ఆశీర్వాదం ఉన్నాయని నేను అనుకుంటున్నాను మహారాజ్. సో థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్.
ముఖ్యం, వాట్ ఈస్ మోర్ ఇంపార్టెంట్ ఈస్ కన్సిస్టెంట్ అండ్ లాంగ్ టర్మ్ association, long term contact,
long term consistently
doing this worship of God in man through the children, right? Somebody has raised his hand or her hand. Samanth, VIHE, Samanth, please open your video and tell what you want to say.
Good evening, Swami.
Very good evening. Yes.
I am connecting from Chennai.
Okay. Very nice.
Nearly 2 to 3 coincidences happened, and today I want to share with you.
Please continue.
The coincidence are, first of all, today is the Children's Day and the birthday of our first Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru.
Yes.
Today is the occasionally and coincidentally it was matched with Naresh Aru, who is dealing with the children.
Yes.
In fact, our founders are elders are told that today children are the tomorrow citizens, responsible citizens. So that is I want to share one thing. And one important thing I want to share is that I am also belongs to native place of our Naresh sir, which is near to 30 kilometers. My native is Guntur, and it is 30 to 40 kilometers. Personally, I want to connect with the Bapatla Seva Samiti also.
Please. You are working in Chennai, or you are?
I am working in Chennai, Swamiji.
Okay. Please keep in touch with Naresh ji and Bapatla Center and give your seva there.
And I read about some important books of Bapatla Seva Samiti published
Right.
on the name of Mahonnata Varasatvam, which is consisting of almost 30 to 40 stories of our ancient rishis and published by I think it was narrated, republished by Ramakrishna Seva Samiti, written by Amarapur Natarajan.
Nataraj is their brother.
Yes.
Nataraj is their brother. He is there online. I saw his name somewhere.
He is there, man. I don't. He's there.
Coincidentally, so much of things happen with Children's Day, and I connect with my native Seva Samiti.
Yes. How you see how Sri Ramakrishna works silently backside. Children's Day, and you are local, and Naresh is talking about children, and we are all children of God. Amrutasya putraha, amrutasya putri.
Occasionally I raise like this, but today, which is connected with my heart, I want to share with those details. And
Right, wonderful. Thank you.
Thank you.
Welcome again and again. Gopi, are
Can I
you
take
joining from USA or from India? One Gopi is joining us from USA or India.
Swamiji, namaste.
Namaste.
Naresh ji, namaste.
ఎక్కడున్నారు మీరు? ఏ ప్రపంచంలో?
US Dallas నుంచి స్వామి, Dallas నుంచి.
చాలా సంతోషం. సో we have become global అండి.
Actually, today, I was so motivated by Naresh Ji's speech. I think I saw him at Ramakrishna Math as well. But I am always indebted to the Bapatla Math because I read many books, Swamiji. Specifically special editions in Bapatla. So many of the books, I think, Telugu books, I read most of the Bapatla books actually. But, I'm very happy to join this session and, get motivated, get inspiration and simplicity. Naresh ji is like, I do small activity. I feel like, Hanuman. But
నాయుడుపేట పని చెప్పండి. నాయుడుపేట.
Last almost after inspiration of Swamiji 150th Jayanti celebrations, we did many activities, Swamiji, schools, and we adopted 4 JPP boys high schools, and we are giving materials and everything. Due to Corona, we haven't done much programs this time other than Swamiji Jayanti and other celebrations. But this year we are planning so many activities, Swamiji. So, and also I want to visit that Nellore Ashram, our Nellore Ashram also. Want to meet Sharatji as well. So many plans, Swamiji. So I'm writing here. So I do most of the plans in US and I try to implement them. So many times, I couldn't implement more than 30 to 40% whatever I thought. But definitely this year, I think, I can do much better than the last 2 years, Swamiji.
Yeah. What's the time there now, Dallas?
Dallas, it's 7:20 Swami. So 30 minutes difference now in the evening. Yeah.
Okay. Cold has set in. Chala santosham seeing you. And when are you coming back?
Mostly 2-3 weeks, man. 2-3 weeks, Swamiji.
Welcome. Vishwanatham garu has something to say?
ఒక్క నిమిషం స్వామీజీ. ప్రసాద్ రెడ్డి గారు మాట్లాడినప్పుడు నేను మ్యూట్ లో ఉన్నందుకు వారు నమస్కారం పెడితే నమస్కారం పెట్టే సంస్కారాన్ని విస్మరించినట్టు అవుతుందనేటువంటి విషయాన్ని పక్కనట్టు పెట్టి, ప్రసాద్ రెడ్డి గారు విజయవాడకి బాపట్లకి బస్సు అనుకుంటా 1 గంటన్నరలో చేరుకుంటుంది కదూ?
అవునండి. అవును సార్.
ఈ వివరాలు అడుగుతున్నానంటే ముందు మన గారికి ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్
విశ్వనాథం గారు వలలో పడ్డారంటే
వదిలిపెట్టడానికే సార్. ఇప్పుడు ఈ వయసులో నేనేం పట్టుకుంటాను, నన్ను ఎవరు పట్టుకుంటారు? ఇప్పుడు
అదే చెప్పాను, బాపట్ల వెళ్తాను మహారాజ్ అని.
వల చాలా స్ట్రాంగ్ అండి.
ప్రసాద్ రెడ్డి గారు, నా రిక్వెస్ట్ ఒకటే, విజయవాడ విజయవాడ, గుడివాడ, మచిలీపట్నం చుట్టుపక్కల ప్రాంతాల్లోంచి మీరు లీడ్ తీసుకుని బాపట్లకి 1 డే విజిట్ అని చెప్పని క్యాంప్ అనౌన్స్ చేయండి. వారానికి ఒకసారి ముందు చెప్పండి. వీలైతే వెళ్తూ ఉన్నప్పుడు బియ్యము, పప్పు, ఉప్పుగా కూరగాయలు మనం తీసుకెళ్ళటం మంచిది, వాళ్ళకి ఇబ్బంది పెట్టకుండా. నరేష్ గారు, నేను చెప్పేది ఏమిటంటే 10 మంది వచ్చి మీ ప్రిపరేషన్స్ ఇబ్బంది పెట్టకుండా 5 కిలోలు బియ్యం తీసుకెళ్ళినోడు కూరగాయలు తీసుకెళ్తే సరిపోలా? పాయింట్ ఏమిటంటే ఏమీ లేదు స్వామి, వారానికి ఒకసారి లేకపోతే నెలకొక్కసారి ఒక రోజు ముందు అనుకుని 10 మంది మిత్రులతో వేరే బస్ అక్కర్లా, ఆర్టీసీ బస్ లోనే బయలుదేరి బాపట్లకు వెళ్ళి సాయంత్రం 5 దాకా ఉండి రాత్రి మళ్ళీ విజయవాడ క్షేమంగా చేరుకోండి చాలు.
తప్పకుండా తప్పకుండా వెళ్తాం సార్. బాపట్ల సేవా సమితి యాక్చువల్ నరేష్ గారిని హావ్ టు గో అండ్ మీట్ హిమ్ యాక్చువల్లీ.
with a team, sir. My only request is go with a team and make it a habit. Every month you visit once.
Yes.
That will the bondages and strengthen and give an outlet to the publications of Bapatla Samiti. నాకు కావాల్సింది అది.
షూర్.
అక్షరాన్ని కాపాడుకుంటే సంస్కృతిని కాపాడుకోగలుగుతాం, మనం భాషని కాపాడుకోగలుగుతాం. అందుకని మనం చేస్తున్నా. అంతే స్వామీజీ, శుభం.
చాలా సంతోషం. అక్కడ నుంచి హైదరాబాద్ నుంచి మీ బాపట్ల ఇది జరుగుతుంది, ప్రోత్సాహం. Very nice. See how the networking is and how Sri Ramakrishna brings the family together. This is my ambition. The whole country of Ramakrishna movement should come online on Sundays.
Yes.
And then Jyotira Jyoti Ujjvala Hriti Kandara Tumitama Bhanjana Hai and Cheppi Bhaga Ramakrishna Sharanam Mida Mana Muligpotu Undali. We should be drowned with the traditions and the devotion and the surrender of Sri Ramakrishna. How he used to go to Balram Bose house, how he used to go to Girish Chandra Ghosh house, how he used to go to that Panihati festival. Like that, Prasad Reddy should take somebody to Bapatla and do some Ramakrishna Sharanam and other
Welcome.
Very nice. Very,
It was so inspiring, really.
very inspiring. Very inspiring. And we'll take one or two small, our devotees, etc., who wants to say something. Let me ask Narayan Rao Garunara, line lo, Andhra Jyoti, ANB Narayan Rao Garunara, like a Lakshmi Amma.
ప్రణామ్ మహారాజ్.
నమస్తే, చెప్పండి ఏమి విన్నారో ఏమిటో మీ ఉత్సాహం చెప్పండి, పంచుకోండి.
మహారాజ్ విశ్వనాథన్ గారు మాట్లాడాక ఇంకా
అందరిలాగానే
ఏం మాట్లాడాలో ఇంకేం మిగలలేదు మహారాజ్. బట్ నాకు రామకృష్ణ భక్తులు ఆ మార్గంలో ఉన్న వాళ్ళు ఇలాంటి భక్తుల్ని ఎవరిని కలిసినా నాకు ఇంకా అసలు ఆ ఆనందం వర్ణించలేనిది. అది ఐ కాంట్ ఎక్స్ప్రెస్ ఇన్ వర్డ్స్. అది ఓవర్వెల్మింగ్ ఆల్వేస్. అది వాళ్ళకి ఏం ప్రణామం చేయడం తప్ప ఏమి వాళ్ళ గురించి మాట్లాడడానికి కూడా నాకు అంత ఇది లేదు మహారాజ్. అంతే కంప్లీట్ ఒక ఫీలింగ్. అది ఏంటంటే అది దే కెన్ అండర్స్టాండ్. ఐ థింక్ ఈవెన్ ఇఫ్ ఐ డోంట్ స్పీక్ ఆల్సో దే కెన్ అండర్స్టాండ్. ఐ కెన్ కన్వే. ఐ థింక్
కరెక్ట్. హేమంత్ from Pune.
Pranam Maharaj, Pranam Naresh ji. First of all, couple of things, Maharaj. Very touching to hear from Naresh ji that he had a target, and once he achieved that, he totally got committed along with his family to do the seva activities, particularly impacting children. And I can tell you from my personal experience, I actually got frequent with Ramakrishna Math, or started with Ramakrishna Math when I was I think 17 or 18 with Ramakrishna Math, Vishakhapatnam. Before that, I read Thus Spake Vivekananda during school days, and I used to read the same book again and again during 11th and 12th whenever I was going through a stressful period. And then when I got deeply involved with Ramakrishna Math activities, then my mother told me one incident which was much more inspiring personally, and I believe it is connected with children. Actually, I was born in West Bengal in Purulia district because of my grandfather was living there at that time. And in 1980, when my grandfather and the family, we left that place, and I was 3 years old. So my mother and my grandfather, they took me to Jayrambati to meet his friend. Their friend also was living there. And I went to Jayrambati, and my mother told me that, and I was, I was looking all around and spending some good time over there. I did not know at all. And later on, when I was deeply into Ramakrishna Math activities at 18, 19, my mother told me that, there was probably a magical touch by Holy Mother at that time, which actually drove you into this. And I consciously never felt that. But I think the point I'm driving is that if unconsciously, if one goes into, let's say, into the divine realm of the teachings or even the place of Sri Ramakrishna Holy Mother Sharda Devi, the impact that that one can experience if they're consciously being taught right from childhood. It will be amazing. And I think this is a great work that Naresh ji and the team is doing. Even I will be very much inspired in future, post my retirement. I'm definitely inspired to take up some activity like this. So thank you for being a role model in this initiative for us. Thank you, sir.
Very nice, very nice. The young Hemant has become the IT professional Hemant and traveling all over the world and now settled in Pune.
Thank you, Maharaj.
Very nice. Tell about Vizag classes. Tell about how we were having the Vizag classes.
Sorry, Maharaj.
How we were having the Visakhapatnam classes. You tell.
Oh, yeah, sure. So actually the me and another two friends, one of them actually became a monk also of Ramakrishna order, Srinivas Maharaj. So me and another friend, we visited, and then later on we took Srinivas Maharaj to Ramakrishna Math, and he became monk. We were left out. So, but never mind.
He entered the gate, you stood outside the gate, huh?
Yes. But still hope to believe we are at Thakur's feet.
Yes, yes.
Inside or outside, we are always at Thakur's feet. But regarding the classes, of course, Sundays, it used to start at 10:30 or 11. And, Bodhmananji was our first spiritual teacher for the first one or more than 1 year. We used to have, initial Om chanting and meditation, followed by Bhagavad Gita, few shlokas and the meaning. And also Swamiji used to ask us to speak, on a spontaneous basis on certain topics, if ever we like. We used to do the seva activities also, cleaning of the room, where we had these classes, setting up everything, then, unpacking them. Of course, during the puja times, we sometimes used to go a night earlier, help in all the, garlands and, putting on the photos, sometimes doing the seva, helping the Pujari Maharaj do the, all the preparation for the puja itself. Really, enjoyed a lot all of those activities. And whenever, I personally, whenever I go through some kind of bad emotion, even remembering all of these activities automatically, puts me on a positive realm once again. And in fact, one personal thing I will share. When I started with Ramakrishna Math in the initial days, obviously, as a student, a lot of negativity was in the mind, a lot of doubts, dilemma. But even looking at Swami Bodhmananji and other Maharajas, with their orange robe, etc., would immediately freshen our minds, would take away all the negative or bad emotions and recharges right away. And I think we're very thankful to Thakur Man, Swamiji, and all the Ramakrishna Math and all the monks that somehow we could direct our lives into this path and feel protected under the umbrella of Sri Ramakrishna. And I think that feeling of protection is definitely, I cannot tell, but it's a very important feeling that helps us to move on in life.
Thank you, Hemanji. Wonderful session today. Very nice. Naresh garu, chala santosham, chala anandam kaligincharu andaru hrudayanlo, inspiration kuda. So every time we have, every Sunday, something very special, very different volunteers, different activity, what they are doing, how they are living, how they are doing their sadhana, how they got transformed by one teaching or one occasion, one event, like what you said, or what Hemant said, what Vishwanatham Garu said, all that. So that is the purpose of this, to bring all the people together, Ramakrishna family, both the monks and the householders, volunteers and others. So let us work like that and move forward. Okay. So we'll just read 1 minute Vivekananda's teachings on lectures from Colombo to Almora and disperse. Okay. Right, Swamiji's Prarthana. Namah Shri Yatirajaya Vivekananda Suraye Satchit Sukhaswarupaya Swamine Tapaharine. This is from a reply to the address at Paramakudi in Tamil Nadu, 1897. This is the one great truth India has to teach the world because it is nowhere else. This is spirituality, the science of the soul. What makes a man stand up and work? Strength. Strength is goodness, weakness is sin. If there is one word that you find coming out like a bomb from the Upanishads, bursting like a bombshell upon masses of ignorance, it is the word fearlessness. And the only religion that ought to be taught is the religion of fearlessness. Either in this world or in the world of religion, it is true that fear is the sure cause of degradation and sin. It is fear that brings misery, fear that brings death, fear that breeds evil. And what causes fear? Ignorance of our real nature. Each of us is heir apparent to the Emperor of Emperors. We are of the substance of God Himself. Nay, according to the Advaita, we are God Himself, though we have forgotten our own nature in thinking of ourselves as little men. We have fallen from that nature and thus make differences. I am a little better than you, or you than I, and so on. This idea of oneness is the great lesson India has to give. And mark you, when this is understood, it changes the whole aspect of things. Because you look at the world through other eyes than you have been doing before. And this world is no more a battlefield where each soul is born to struggle with every other soul, and the strongest gets the victory and the weakest goes to death. It becomes a playground where the Lord is playing like a child and we are His playmates, His fellow workers. It is only a play, however terrible, hideous, and dangerous it may appear. We have mistaken its aspect. When we have known the nature of the soul, hope comes to the weakest, to the most degraded, to the most miserable sinner. Only declares your Shastra, despair not, for you are the same whatever you do, and you cannot change your nature. Nature itself cannot destroy nature. Your nature is pure. It may be hidden for millions of eons, but at last it will conquer and come out. Therefore, the Advaita brings hope to everyone and not despair. Its teaching is not through fear. It teaches not of devils who are always on the watch to snatch you if you miss your footing. It has nothing to do with devils, but says that you have taken your fate in your own hands. Your own karma has manufactured for you this body, and nobody did it for you. The omnipresent Lord has been hidden through ignorance, and the responsibility is on yourself. You have not to think that you are brought into the world without your choice and left in this most horrible place, but to know that you have yourself manufactured your body bit by bit, just as you are doing it this very moment. You yourself eat, nobody eats for you. You assimilate what you eat, no one does it for you. You make blood and muscles and body out of the food. Nobody does it for you. So you have done all the time. One link in a chain explains the infinite chain. If it is true for one moment that you manufacture your body, it is true for every moment that has been or will come. And all the responsibility of good and evil is on you. This is the great hope. What I have done, that I can undo. And at the same time, our religion does not take away from mankind the mercy of the Lord. That is always there. On the other hand, He stands beside this tremendous current of good and evil. He, the boundless, the ever merciful, is always ready to help us to the other shore. for his mercy is great, and it always comes to the pure in heart. Your spirituality, in a certain sense, will have to form the basis of the new order of society. If I had more time, I could show you how the West has yet more to learn from some of the conclusions of the Advaita. For in these days of materialistic science, the ideal of the personal God does not count for much. But yet, even if a man has a very crude form of religion and wants temples and forms, he can have as many as he likes. If he wants a personal God to love, he can find here the noblest ideas of a personal God, such as were never attained anywhere else in the world. If a man wants to be a rationalist and satisfy his reason, it is also here that he can find the most rational ideas of the impersonal. Om Shanti 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 Harihi Om Tat Sat Shri Rama Krishna Arpanamastu. So this is from a lecture in Paramakudi in Tamil Nadu, 1897. There are 3 announcements that I have to make for all the volunteers and devotees who have joined today, participants. Number 1, next year, I am giving you a next year plan. There are 2 major functions, 2 major celebrations. Everybody listen, whether you are in Kolkata or Pune or Dallas or Chennai or Hyderabad or any other place. Number 1, 125 years celebration of these lectures. Colombo to Almora lectures of Vivekananda. 125 years old celebration will be there all over Tamil Nadu and in Hyderabad also. Number 1, get ready for it from January end itself. Celebration number 2, 125 years of Ramakrishna Mission starting, founding of Ramakrishna Mission. That will start from May 1st, 2022. It will go until 2023, 1-year program. Ramakrishna movement all over the country and world. Swamiji started Ramakrishna Mission May 1st, 1897 in Balram Mandir in Kolkata. Registered there. From there it spread to become 290 or 300 branches now. So how we celebrate, that is all our discussions next 2-3 months. Announcement number 3. Tomorrow evening onward, 6-day program, we have a beautiful subject which Swamiji just now mentioned in his lecture, Spirituality for the Youth. 6-day course. Those who have not joined now till now can join as early as possible. Evening time, 6:50 to 7:30. What is spirituality? Why spirituality? How the youth can practice spirituality and become strong to face the challenges of life. Online course, 15th November to 20th November. Registrations are going on, 250 rupees. Your friends and others can join and make the best use of it. Volunteers also can participate. All right, this is 3 announcements. And other classes, slowly we are improving here and there. Do not give up your yogasanas, physical fitness. Yes. And do not give up meditation every day, morning, evening. Do not give up swadhyaya, half an hour or 40 minutes, or maybe 20 minutes, 30 minutes. Since you're all grown up, 20 minutes, 30 minutes, you should do swadhyaya. Study, 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 study. Meditate, meditate, meditate. And do yoga, yoga, yoga. Pranayama, etc. 1.5 hour solid program. 5 to 6:30, 5:30 to 7, 6 to 7:30, whatever your activities are. Announcement number 4. February 13th. February 13th in Hyderabad, very important in Vivekananda's life. Swami Vivekananda gave his first public speech in Hyderabad before going to America. That is on February 13th, 1893. February 13th, 1893. 7 days he stayed in Madras, in Hyderabad. From there he went back to Madras. Then from there to Rajasthan, Rajasthan to Bombay, and Bombay to America. That is there. So we are launching a signature campaign to the government of Telangana to call February 13th as Vivekananda Day in Telangana. If they don't do it, we will do it. We will declare and we will celebrate. We will organize good programs. Doesn't matter. But the youth of Hyderabad, youth of India also, we have a signature campaign link. So you can join, press that link, sign your name and submit. So it will come to us. We need another 4,000. We have got 6,000 plus signatures. We need another 4,000, 2 months, November, December, January. So please forward it to your friends, and that link will be sent to you by your volunteer, Chaitanya. And otherwise also you can write to me or our office, they will send you the link. Okay. So these are all family work. You're all connected far and wide. Please spread the message and participate nicely. May Sri Ramakrishna bless you. May Mother bless you. May Swamiji bless you. And let us see all of you tomorrow evening in the class for spirituality for the youth class course, 6-day course. Okay. So namaste. We shall end with a prayer. Purnamadav Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om Tat Sat. Shri Ramakrishna Arpanamastu. Loka Samasta Sukhino Bhavantu. Jai Bhagavan Shri Ramakrishna Deva ki Jai. Jai Shri Sharada Mai ki Jai. Jai Swami Vivekananda Maharaj ki Jai. Shubharatri, Shubharatri, Shubharatri to all of you. Shubhadinam, Shubhavaram. And meet all of you next Sunday at 5:30 for Amritasya Setu session. Thank you. Hari Om Tat Sat. Naresh Garu, Dhanyavadam. Meet again.